to fix WhatsApp login error on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Pipan Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix WhatsApp login error on iPhone. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through quick and easy through this video. First things first, what you want to do is you want to head back and you want to head into your settings on your device. Now I'll just head into settings real quick here. Now once on settings here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down below and you want to search in for general option and simply tap on it. Once you tap on general here, you can see iPhone storage option right here. You want to simply tap on iPhone storage. Now under here, since you want to fix the login error for WhatsApp, what you want to do is you want to scroll down and here you want to search in for WhatsApp. Now I'll just search in for WhatsApp here. If it doesn't show here, you can simply tap on show all and you'll be able to see WhatsApp here. You can simply tap on it. Now the trick here is, in order to fix login error or any app error, you want to simply tap on upload app and then simply tap on upload app again at the bottom. What this does is it'll remove any glitches and bugs within the apps, as it'll reset your application as well. So this way you can fix login error or app error for WhatsApp on iPhone. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.